This boat that came in that was having an idling problem, we thought maybe just changing the spark plugs might have helped. As you can see, that's a pretty bad spark plug. But we're going to start it and do a balance check, and you'll see that the number 4 spark plug is not doing anything, and 3 is not doing much either. And then we're going to also shoot a carb cleaner in it. You'll see it doesn't change it too much, so it's not running lean, it's running rich.